Hi, I'm Jonathan, and I'm trying to answer the question of whether fasting may provide greater improvements to mental function than the ketogenic diet. I'm specifically interested in the symptoms of brain fog and fatigue, which I have dealt with a long time. And I've treated them successfully with the keto diet for the last 4 months, but only to an extent. I'm not quite satisfied with the results, and so I am trying out an extended fast. Now, I don't know exactly how long this fast is going to be, but it will probably be between 7 and 20 days. So far, I have fasted for 3 days. I would say that I'm actually less functional than I was when I was eating. In some, maybe most ways. I took time off of work, and I also have stopped working out. I'm also just less interested in the routines I had, other routines like playing music. But there are some things that I notice in my environment and become interested in that I wouldn't have before. Just doing little chores that I wouldn't have thought were interesting or important. Like today I chose to can some tomatoes, which is a little bit of a process and I hadn't done it before. So yeah, to get to some nuts and bolts, I'm recording my ketones and glucose. Last night, ketones were 3.7 millimoles and glucose was 77. I've actually been a bit surprised that my ketones have not been as high as I've achieved while doing the keto diet with intermittent fasting. I've achieved above 6 millimoles in the past, but we'll see how it continues from here. But so far the highest number I recorded was 4.7 on the first day that I was fasting, and it's actually gone down since then. My only other thing to mention right now is that I am using electrolytes during this fast, and besides the water, and I'm using LMNT, which contains sodium and kind of a small amount of magnesium and potassium. I use 1.5 to 2 packs of the LMNT, and I also take magnesium, and I take about 400 milligrams of magnesium over the course of the day. That's all for now.